Hey everybody, my vehicle inspection a few days ago found out that one of the lights above my license plate is out, so I decided to replace the bulb with a new LED one. So here's my old one. This comes out of a Prius. Yes, I know. Found online what I needed. This is the old bulb. Clearly see, hopefully you can see how it's burned out. But I'm going to replace it with this new LED style bulb. Basically you just pull the old bulb out, slide the new one in until it stops. This particular one has a cover that just snaps in place. I'm going to replace them, show you how it looks, the difference, and then I'll replace the other one and show you guys how to do that. So the first step in changing the license plate light on the Prius C is you got to remove this base cover. It sits here on the top of the hatchback. It's held on by these little retention rivets, I guess you could call them. They pop out. The problem is you can't just yank on this or they'll pop right through. So you want to take a screwdriver and kind of work on them and pop them out. They just fit. See, here's one I didn't quite get. They just fit in here. You got to pop them out. It's not as easy as it says or as you think. So I took some channel locks or some pliers and pull them out. And I tried to do it with this on so I don't poke a hole through it. Once you have it off, you can get to the lights. Here's one. This is one I've already changed. The other one is here on the other side. So the first thing you want to do is pop off this, trying to get a good picture here, pop off this little connector. You can use one finger, just push in the little clip and pull it out. Then you've got to squeeze. This is going to be a little tricky. See if I can move this out of the way. Okay, I was able to loosen it up with two hands. I had to put the camera down and use two hands, but you can see now it's loose. I got to go to the other side. This part's a little tricky because you got to come down with it and then it'll slide out. There you go. I thought this one worked, but it doesn't, so I'm going to replace it too. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to get a little screwdriver. Be very gentle because you don't want to break this plastic cover, but you just want to get a screwdriver right in here and pop it loose. Let's go ahead and do that. Got it out, got my screwdriver. I'm just going to pop it under here. It doesn't take much and it'll pop out. Pull the old bulb out. I can see it's burned by discolored and there's no connection between the two metal points. I'll set that aside. Take out my new LED one. I like the idea of LED. Much better and more efficient than the incandescent. You can see the difference in size. Pretty close. Just take it, slide it right in. It'll kind of snap in like the other one. Put your cover back on and reinstall. Okay, I got it back in. Just got to hook up the electronics. And of course I don't have slender fingers from Slender Man. Okay. And they're snapped. I like to check and make sure they work before I put the case on. Okay. Both working, nice and bright. Time to close up shop. The easiest part of this whole project, putting these rivets back in.